So, morning of day 2. Camping out Kilcoy. Go check these pots.
Hey, what's up, guys? See its head.
Yeah, nice. Oh, look, there's a fair few there, bud.
There's a big one in there. Whoa!
So we just caught some of these Redclaw. We're going to do a bit of a cook up. We're going to do like a, I don't know if it's an Asian style thing. This is the camp. This is where are we at? Cedar Vale, isn't it? Cedar Vale Park. We've got the camper, the tinny. We've got the fire going, and the creek's just down here. Not a bad outlook. Kids are down there playing. Magic. So we're going to cook these Redclaw up. We had a pretty good haul. And there's some pretty good sized buggers in there. Decent tails on them. So sweet chili, soy sauce, garlic, butter, ginger, fish sauce, lemons, sage, bit of salt. Alright. And then, so we'll just split them down the guts. See all this, dudes? And go wash them off. Just be careful.
I didn't take the tails off. Told you he looked stressed.
He does actually. Okay, it's not a big. Well, there it is. What would you call it, Sam? Like an Asian style Redclaw? What would it be called?
Asian style Redclaw.
How good's that, guys? We just tried one and they're absolutely beautiful. We'll finish off with a bit of lemon.
We'll just put it on individually. No, yeah, what's
I'll put one all over.
Yeah.
How good do they look, eh?
Looks so good.
So here's the Redclaw. Sam's gonna be the taste tester. We've got a few beers, kicking back in front of the fire. Cedar Vale campground near Kilcoy.
Oh, look at that. Yum.
Dipping a bit of sauce. Oh, looks good, right? Is it good?
Oh my gosh. It's so good, babe.
Let's get stuck in on. Oh, how about that lemon?
Corn meat's a bit bland.
I haven't tried corn meat yet. Look at the ginger.
Can't get it out.
Look at that.
There's nothing in the heads, right?
So good. That's a winner, babe. What do you reckon?